Information about Betula populifolia. Betula populifolia is a species of deciduous tree commonly known as the gray birch or poplar-leaved birch. It is native to northeastern North America, ranging from Newfoundland to Pennsylvania, and west to Minnesota. The gray birch grows up to 50 feet tall, but it is typically smaller and more shrub-like in appearance. Its leaves are small and triangular, with serrated edges, and they resemble those of poplar trees, hence the common name poplar-leaved birch. The bark of the tree is smooth and grayish-white, with small black triangular markings called lenticels. Gray birch is a hardy species that can grow in a variety of soil types, including sandy or rocky soils, and it is often found growing in areas that have been disturbed, such as along roadsides or in abandoned fields. It is also a pioneer species that is often one of the first trees to colonize a disturbed area. Gray birch has a number of uses, including as a landscaping tree, for erosion control, and as a source of wood for fuel and pulp. Its wood is not particularly strong, but it is lightweight and easily worked, making it useful for a variety of woodworking projects. In terms of ecological value, gray birch provides habitat and food for a variety of wildlife, including birds, mammals, and insects. It is also an important component of the food web, as its leaves and twigs are consumed by a variety of herbivores.